Hey everyone, today in this video we're going to see how to turn on Acer Spy 3 laptop keyboard light. To determine if your Acer Spy 3 laptop has a backlit keyboard and to enable it if available, follow these steps. Check for backlight support. Look for a backlight icon on your keyboard which usually appears as a symbol of an illuminated keyboard. This icon is often found on the F5 to F12 key. If you see this icon, it's likely that your laptop has a keyboard backlighting capabilities. Enable the backlight. Press the function key located near the bottom left corner of the keyboard simultaneously with the key bearing the backlight icon, example F5 to F12. This key combination should toggle the keyboard backlight on or off. Adjust backlight brightness. If your model supports brightness adjustments, you can modify the backlight intensity by holding down the function key and pressing the appropriate brightness keys like F9 to lower and F10 to raise brightness. Here is the note. Not all Asus Spy 3 models have a backlit keyboard. If you don't see a backlit icon on any of the function keys, your laptop may not support this feature. In that case, you won't be able to enable the backlit. Important considerations. Model variation. Not all Asus Spy 3 models come equipped with backlit keyboard. If your keyboard lacks the backlight icon or the function key combination don't activate a backlight, it's possible that your model doesn't include this feature. Driver updates. Ensure that your system drivers are up to date, as outdated drivers can affect hardware functionality, including keyboard backlighting. Power settings. Some laptops have power saving settings that disable the keyboard backlight to conserve energy. Check your power settings to ensure the backlight is enabled. If after following these steps the keyboard backlight remains unresponsive, it's advisable to consult your laptop's user manual or contact Acer support for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.